Nababahala ang ilang eksperto sa dumaraming bilang ng kabataang na biktima ng cyber harassment nitong pandemya.
Ayon sa PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, halos 300 sari-saring cybercrime complaints ang kanilang natatanggap kada linggo.
Can I interview you about bully?
Yes, once. I've been feeling really hurt and scared because of the way someone has been treating me. And it's okay and I don't deserve to spoken to others. I treat it like this. I need help to support and deal with this situation. Or I'm struggling to cope with the bullying I've been experiencing. It's affecting my mental health and making me feel anxious and alone. I need someone to talk and support me through this rough time.
Sir, what is the solution of bullying?
Report indicates a teacher or school staff talking to a trusted teacher. Find a teacher you trust and feel comfortable with. All tell them what's happening. Reports to the school administration. Submit your report at school administration such as principal or guidance counselor. That